This is Sergeant Lyford. I'm here at 4142 Evergreen Terrace to check in on the report of a noise disturbance. Over.
What is that, Sergeant Lyford? Over.
This is Officer Lyford. Is anybody home? What the hell happened here? Police, show yourself!
Coop? Can you get the damn light out of my eyes?
Patrick? Patrick Bell.
Yeah?
What are you doing here?
I live here, dummy.
Yeah, sorry, that's a weird question. Yeah, I'm surprised you remember me. It's been a while.
Well, hell yeah, I remember you, man. We played ball together. But I'm not sure I recognize you. Are you seriously a cop?
Yeah, man. I'm a cop now. I'm sorry, it's just, I can't believe it. I'm here. And Patrick Bell's home. You were the man in college.
I'd like to think I still am, and that didn't end with college. Why are you here, officer?
Hey now. Patrick Bell can call me by my first name. None of this officer stuff. We're on the same page, man.
Okay, just Cooper. Why are you in my house?
Well, Patrick, it's okay if I call you that?
Yeah.
We got a report of a noise disturbance at this address. Got here, the door was open, and it's so late I thought I should investigate.
Oh, man. I'm sorry for the misunderstanding, Coop. It's my wife. She went out with the ladies for girls' night. 2 drinks for hers, 3 sheets to the wind. Anyway, between all the commotion and my initial reaction, yeah, I could see how we made a lot of noise. I just got her put down, and I didn't know she left the front door open.
Well, sounds like Mrs. Bell had a tough night. Sorry to hear about that. So I guess I'll just finish looking around the house and be on my way.
Well, hold on just a second. I'm sorry, I can't let you do that. You don't have a warrant. Look, I'm sorry to be so stubborn about it, but I do know my rights, and, well, like I said, there's nothing going on here tonight. No foul play. Besides, I was going to see if you wanted to stick around and maybe have a drink. Well, you don't trust me, Coop?
You're right. I trust you, man. Besides, I wouldn't want to wake your wife looking around the house anyways, right?
Great. So stick around and have a beer with me.
Oh, Patrick, I can't, man. I'm on the clock.
When did you become such a straight edge? Come on, man. Have one beer with me. Do you know how long it's been since we drank together?
Well, I guess one beer couldn't hurt. All right, sure. For old time's sake. Hey, remember when you rushed for over 200 yards in that one game? That shit was crazy.
Yeah, that was a pretty amazing feeling, but I tell you what was even more amazing than that was the party afterwards. And there were chicks just lining up across the block, too.
Yeah, I brought Jessica that night. I didn't get to hang out with her, though, because I spent most of my time in the John.
Wait a second. Holy shit, that was the night. That was the night that you became Cooper the Pooper. You destroyed that bathroom, man. And the couple you barged in on, They were pretty pissed. They're still talking about it.
Yeah, well, I swear I was poisoned that night. Because alcohol's never done that to me before. And then when I was done, well, Jessica was gone. And I never heard from her again.
Yeah, she's probably with a real man.
What was that?
Nothing. You and your crazy conspiracy theories. Hey, do you remember that time when we played the Warthogs and a bunch of us broke into the pit and tried to spray paint the mascot?
Yeah. That poor hog got so scared that he had a panic attack and then passed out. It was horrible. He was terrified.
Who cares? It was just a stupid pig anyways. I mean, no offense. Besides, it must have been a good luck pick because we won that game. Hey, you could use another one.
I shouldn't.
You sound like a lady. 2 beers is all it takes for you to get drunk, too? Come on, man, we're just catching up. Don't be a chicken shit.
Yeah. Well, I ain't no coward.
That's the spirit.
Hey, can I use your bathroom?
Oh, shit. Pooper strikes again? No, man, I'm just kidding. It's down the hall to the left.
Oh, Patrick.
You know, the best thing you ever did was switch that drug test so that I could play in the championship game.
What did you do to your wife?
Sure, I like to party. We all did. We were young. We were in college. As for the steroids, I mean, one doesn't exactly rush 200 yards in a single game on skill alone. Sometimes you gotta have a little, extra something to give you that push.
Patrick? What happened here? What happened to her?
Remember when you refused it first? Something about integrity?
It wasn't right, okay? I was a good kid, but...
But what, Coop? You're a fucking scrub. You're pathetic. And you knew it. But I'm glad you did the right thing. Just like you're going to do the right thing again, Officer Cooper. Get the fuck out of here, Coop. You're a nobody. Besides, you really think that someone like me could be friends with a loser like you? Oh, Coop.
Patrick, you asshole.
Coop, that hurts.
Patrick Bell, you're under arrest for the murder of your wife and assaulting a police officer. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you do or say can and will be held against you in the court of law.